Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a classic PlayStation. I got Marcus with me. What's up, Marcus?
Hi.
So basically, Marcus did not grow up with this kind of games here. So are you excited to play some old school games?
Yep.
So we're going to try out this PlayStation Classic. And it comes with 20 games already inside of it, which is pretty cool. So here's all the different kind of games. This is the game I remember the most out of this console because that was like one of my favorite games. But as you can see, this is a good game, Solid Gear. So I didn't play too many games out of this stuff, but the ones I did were definitely fun to play. So Tekken 3 is going to be ultra fun for 2 players especially. So we picked this one up at Best Buy and it was actually used. That's why it has like a little seal here. But pretty much that's what the box looks like, which is pretty nice. It's an original Sony. So let's cut this tape on here. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. Whoa. Come out, PlayStation. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that, bro.
I know.
That's a nice looking box. Since this was like a return unit, I'm pretty sure that it's... Oh yeah, watch out, bro. Yeah, it's not packed. So here's the PlayStation. Check it out. It's like a little tiny mini PlayStation. You don't even know what these are supposed to look like, do you?
I do.
The original one.
The original one? This one?
Yeah, like that.
Oh.
It's actually not that small. It's huge.
Oh.
It's like as big as this box, probably.
No. Yeah, I know the original one. Like, it's basically, it's almost like you put a CD right
That's
here.
right, yep.
That one.
This opens and you put a CD in there.
But this one doesn't.
This one has all the games inside of it. It's a pretty nice presentation, the box. Check it out, guys. In the back here, we have HDMI. Whoa, that's cool, HDMI.
I know.
Looks like USB for power. So we have a reset button, a power button, and an open button. Does this thing even do anything? It doesn't open. So we got, looks like 2 controllers and a fake memory card little area. So it looks just like the original, just in a mini version. And here on the back it says classic and the model number. Pretty cool. Actually, I noticed there's a little door here. Does this do anything? Okay, so I don't know that. I don't think that's a real door. Maybe the original PlayStation had a door there. Alright, let's see what else we got. Pull that out, Marcus. Ooh, manuals. I don't think we're gonna need these. Okay, looks like we have all our stuff in here. Well, that's what happens, Marcus, when you buy returned items. Nothing's packed. Hey, at least we get 2 controllers. Yay!
No.
That's it for the box. Alright, so we got a lot of spaghetti here. A PlayStation 1 controller. Dude. Have you ever held the PlayStation 1 controller? It actually looks different than the ones we have now. The ones we have now actually have...
It's more stylish.
No, that's an Xbox, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm just...
So Marcus is going to bring a PlayStation remote, and we can kind of compare what the PlayStation 4 remote looks like to this very first PlayStation remote that was obviously not wireless and did not have dual shock or whatever they call it, vibration in it. So it looks like they connect with USB. Alright, so we got the PlayStation 4 remote. Here we go. Okay, Marcus, check it out, dude. So which one feels better in the hand?
I'll say this one.
Yeah, you're right about that. Alright, so let's hook it all up and see if it even works. Okay, so it looks like you get an HDMI cable and you get a micro USB to USB cable. So micro USB goes here. There we go. And HDMI goes in here. Simple enough. And then our controllers go in there. And now we can play. Alright, so everything's connected. Now we just need to connect to the back of the TV here. So I guess I'm just going to pick a random HDMI here. And the TV has USB, so hopefully that'll be enough power to power the PlayStation. Alright, bro, are you ready to play the best gaming system of your life?
Yes.
Nothing's working.
Probably not enough power.
You know what? You're probably right. Alright, so we decided to use this power bank to see if we can run the PlayStation with. Alright, let's see.
You have to...
Ooh, there's life, bro. It worked. So, yeah. I guess you need enough power, guys. Probably, I'm guessing, at least 2 amps or something. Alright, let's see. Oh, dude, the power light went off. I wonder if it's because it's not drawing enough. Okay. So I'm gonna push the power button, see what happens. Bam! Ooh, it turns green. Dude. Turn up the volume a bit.
Okay, here's the games.
I'll be player 2. Here, you can be player 1.
Okay.
I'll be player 2. Okay, so what are we gonna play? Actually, go through the games right quick. Let's see what's on there. Okay, so we got Tekken 3, Siphon Filter, looks like a shooting game. Some kind of puzzle fighter. Ooh, Ridge Racer, Persona, Resident Evil. Yeah, so some of these games are not for kids, by the way, guys. Rayman, I don't think I ever played that. Keep going. Go faster. Yeah, mirror. Ooh, Metal Gear, that was good. Mirror. Yeah, oh yeah, that's my favorite game. Keep going.
That's it.
Oh, cool. All right.
So what do you want to play?
I don't know. Something 2 players. Let's just play the Tekken. That sounds cool.
Okay.
So I'm kind of curious what the open button does. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And look what comes up, guys. You can't change the discs now. You can change the disc only when instructed to do so in the gameplay.
What?
How are we going to change the disc if there's not even one?
Oh.
That's interesting. Alright, so let's just play Tekken. Alright, so me and Marcus are going to play Tekken. What is this? Tekken something.
Yeah. So, wait.
that how it starts?
Wait.
What in the world?
Ah, who is that?
That looks scary.
Okay, hold on. Let's watch this. Hold on.
That's pretty cool.
Basically, this is a fighting game, but for kids.
Check out those graphics. What do you think?
Those look really old school.
Okay, push start, bro.
Okay, what mode?
Wait, no.
Team battle mode.
Oh, I can control it too. Cool. Is there like a 2-player mode?
Versus mode.
There we go. Oh yeah. I'm player 2. So what do you gotta choose? Oh man, you're gonna destroy me.
Oh, this is your power? You want your power to be all the way to 140 so you can be more stronger.
Quit cheating, bro. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Dude, I haven't even hit you once.
I like this way. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ouchie.
Dude, did you see that move? I'm almost dead.
Ouchie.
Oh, Marcus got me.
Ow!
Dude.
Right on the head.
The replay is awesome, bro.
Look at him dance. There's a round 2. Why? Didn't do any
Dude, I'm gonna
damage.
push all the buttons.
Don't do it. Did you see him do a backflip?
Oh. Dude, I think it's hard to beat Eddie.
Oh, you're dead. I think this is one of the rarest ones.
Oh, dude.
Ouch!
Oh. Okay, one more game. Which one? Well, pick your guy. I have a feeling I'm gonna lose again.
Actually,
Round 1. Fight.
ouch. That guy's actually really strong.
Oh yeah, check out that move I did on you, bro. Oh yeah, finally something's happening good to me.
Stop! Dude, you have to go easy.
Yes, perfect. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Woo! Fight! Oh, dude.
Stop! Stop!
Dude, did you see that kick? Oh man, that guy's strong. Oh boy. Oh boy.
How to jump?
I won, bro. I won.
So pick what your guy is. You can pick the same one. Put it on low, really low.
Alright.
It's only 70. Ooh, what is it gonna be on the straight?
Round
Oh, I have
1.
that guy.
Fight.
Oh. Oh, I was making some kind of tornado.
Ow! Ow! Oh, I think it does something else. Ow! It gives you more strength.
No, you just die faster.
Oh.
Oh, I still got you.
Wait, dude, if I
Look
gave
at
you
that, look at that. Oh, barely got me.
right in the oh.
Oh.
Ouch! I already was dead.
Oh, boom. Hey, leave the old school gaming to the old school people. How about Ridge Racer? That looks
No.
cool. That looks awesome, Marcus. Try it out, bro. It's cars racing. Go, go, go.
I hate cars racing.
What? Don't say that in front of people. You have this thing.
No, like types. Like.
You hate that one? Okay, bro, you never played this, by the way. That's what you're supposed to be acting like. Whoa, it's starting. Alright, look at that presentation. What in the world, dude? Is this a card game?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Can I press start?
Are you sure you chose the right game?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go.
It's really hard. I can tell.
Hey, not bad.
The quality is so bad.
Yeah. Not terrible, but not that good. Alright, just push start, bro, whatever.
Wait.
Ooh, look at those graphics. Like I said, man, push start.
That was interesting.
R4. R4. Cheeto. Alright, push start, or whatever it is. Dang.
Okay.
Check out those graphics, guys.
Oh, X is to go.
Can you see the car?
Not really.
Woo, watch out, bro.
Wow, it's hard to control.
So what do you gotta say for the Ridge Racer? Not that good?
No.
Don't want to play it anymore? Okay. I know for anybody that liked Final Fantasy, this Final Fantasy VII here was the turning point, at least for me, and I played all the Final Fantasy after that. Well, except the newest ones, but... And there goes the famous music. I don't know how many times I've heard that. Probably hundreds of times. Alright guys, so that is the PlayStation Classic. So if you're wanting to play some of the old school games that maybe you grew up with or wanted to share them with your kids like I did with Marcus, what do you think about the PlayStation Classic?
I like it. Really good.
Really? I'm guessing you'd play that Tekken game a lot. So yeah, I mean, you can definitely find some good games that you can play together. I know I would enjoy this old school Final Fantasy. I don't know if I got time for it though. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Yeah, but...
The video's gonna be too long.
I'm talking about on spare time, bro. Overall, it's definitely fun, and they're pretty cheap now, especially this classic one. So if you want to experience a PlayStation without a CD, it's pretty fun overall. And also, the cool thing about this thing is it's pretty portable because it does run off of USB. It just needs enough power. But not only that, you can actually make it ultra portable because you can have a power bank, and then you can have just a battery powered screen, and then you got yourself gaming on the go. Or even for a car. I think for a car this might be fun. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, then hit that like button. And also guys, stay tuned because we're going to make another steering wheel video. Actually, I'm going to do an update to this thing. And there will be more videos to come for sure on this system here. And I don't think Marcus is ready to show off his driving skills, are you? Again?
I know how to use the clutch a little bit. It's to start the car.
Yeah, he's been practicing a little, but not as much as he needs to.
Yeah, maybe.
So yeah, I don't think he's ready to show off his clutch skills yet.
We made the other video about the steering wheel, so make sure to hit that like button on that video.
What he means is go check out that video. But yeah, so there will be a lot more cooler stuff coming up gaming wise, so stay tuned. And if you want to pick up this little PlayStation, I'll leave some links in the description. Check that out. Go check out our other videos. We got a lot of fun stuff. And if you enjoy videos like this and you're not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.